Subscribe to Cat with Sahil Sharma channel and press the bell icon to never miss the video. Hello, welcome to Cat with Sahil Sharma. In today's video we will see whole command. Let's start with the whole command. For that I will select the plane above and specify the point where I want it. So you can see that the point is here. I can change the dimensions according to my preference, according to my diagram, and create and set the point to be this, and automatically it will prompt this window. So I can now form the hole. So this command is very helpful when we create a through hole and I want it to be through and I don't want this cone section, so I can select this command, that is cylinder bottom in that case. And the tip angle is also, it is a standard one, but I can also change the tip angle according to my custom, if I want any custom bolt to be designed. So if I click the OK button and the hole is created in that case, but I have a number of options for the hole, that is counter board also. So this is the counter board. We can select change the diameter of the counter board, that for the counter board. For example, the diameter, if I change diameter, so it is 55, diameter gets changed. The depth also is changeable. I can change the depth also, and other options are remain the same. If I show this, so this is the preview of that hole. I can also use the counter sunk option here. I can change the diameter here also, and the counter sunk angle also if I want, and get the preview, and that is the counter sunk hole as per my requirement. And the last option is the tapered option in the general hole command, and I can change the diameter, taper angle, and the depth according to my preference. So this is the general hole command. So there is also a drill size hole. In that case I have the option of size. So this is the drill size, and this drill size is according to the ISO. If I change to NC ANSI, and here the holes in there, that is the drill bit size get different according to that preference, but we mainly use ISO. So you can design the hole according to that standard. Select that drill bit. I have set to the, if I set to the exact fit, so it will create the standard hole. Okay. And if I enable the chamfer, it will form the chamfer here and the end chamfer also. That is a standard one. I can increase the diameter if I want to be 25. So if I show the preview, you can see that chamfer is automatically enabled here. But if I want to change the chamfer, I can move it to the custom one, and I can change the chamfer angle and the offset of the chamfer according to my wish. So this is the drill size hole command. So there is another command, that is screw clearance hole. In this case I have the screw size which is M48, M42, so that is the standard one you can choose. And you can also change the fit, that is close, normal and loose according to your preference. If you want the fit to be normal or loose or close, you can change that, and it will automatically give the tolerance to the hole. And you can also enable and disable the chamfer as you seen in the previous command. And here you have the option of counter bore and counter sunk also. So that is the same that you have seen in the upper commands. And the last one is a threaded hole. Here it will form a hole with thread, and it has the pitch. You can select the hole with the diameter and the pitch that is enabled. So the radial engagement is the tolerance that it will set, that is the tolerance of the pitch. So that is a radial engagement, and the depth type, that is 1 into diameter. That is the lead, if you say, that is the depth type. And you can also select the right hand and the left hand according to your preference of the screw. And you can also enable and disable the chamfer. So this is it. That is the whole command, and I hope you like this video, and share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.